What is up, Vetted family? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Joey. Today, I'm going to teach you how to roll out your hamstrings with a foam roller, a PVC pipe. I got my trusty Battlestar tool here. This is a very nice dense tool that's portable. I highly recommend getting one if you don't. But if you just have a foam roller or something like that, you can do the same exact technique. It'll still work great. The hamstrings originate from the sits bone, which is basically on your butt, and then they come down. There's 3 heads. They insert on the back side and the inside of your knee. If you had a gnarly deadlift day, or if you sit all the time, your hamstrings are going to get tight. Roll them out to help open those back up. Go ahead and start with this video, just rolling out the hamstring, and then click through our channel to find some of the hamstring stretches as well. They pair together amazing. So this one's pretty basic. If you've watched our calf rolling video, it's the same technique. We're just higher up on the leg now. You know, you're not really gonna miss hamstring muscle as long as you're on the back of your leg and you're rolling up and down. You're gonna be on a hamstring. You can rotate your leg in and out and you'll hit the different heads that way. Try this technique for around at least a minute, but anywhere, you could do 5 minutes, 2 minutes, whatever you want. As long as you feel you need to work through this sites of scar tissue or just the damaged soft tissue, and wherever it is the most tender, that is your cue to where you should spend the most time. Drop a comment down below on if you felt any benefits from it, or if there's another muscle that you really want to know how to release, let us know. We probably is already on the channel, but if not, we'll blast it out to you guys. Till next time.